So, good day, ma'am. My name is Donald in the store. So, today I will discuss this contemporary artist named Jenny Savili. So, si Jenny Savili ay isang ka-modern British artist na naka-recognize because of her large skills and explicitity skills ng isang nude woman. So, yung konteksto niya sa paggawa ng artworks is sabihin natin na masyadong revealing yung mga hindi naman masyadong revealing. Sometimes yung mga artwork na hindi rin revealing, sometimes revealing talaga yung mga mga sexual parts, especially sa mga babae. So, who is Jenny Saville? So, si Jenny Saville, ipinanganak siya noong 1970 in Cambridge, and siya yung youngest sa apat na mga magkakapatid, and also she was born into the artistic parents na nag-motivate sa kanya na habulin yung kanyang dreams na maging artist. So most often she picture a distorted, grotesque, and above all meeting female subject. So sa sinabi ko kanina, yung konteksto talaga ni Jenny is makikita mo talaga yung mga meaty object or mga sexual part ng isang babae. And also she study in School of Art, no? So she study in Glasgow School of Art, University of Cincinnati, and the Slade Schools of Fine Art in London. So nag-study din siya sa mga art school, no? So, next is working habits. So, yung mga working habits ni Jenny is she like to work with photographs, no? She will take a photo of herself and her body and even her friend's body. Yung kakaiba lang kasi sa hobby ni Jenny Saville is yung sarili ng katawan is kinukuhanan niya ng litrato, and even sa mga kaibigan niya, yung mga katawan ng mga kaibigan niya, no? When she taking a photo, she will take a fragments of the body rather than whole thing because she works large scale, meaning she works on fragment rather than wholes. So kung when Jenny Sabi is kukuha siya ng litrato is body lang yung yung body lang yung o sabihin natin na sa body lang siya nakapokus, hindi siya nakapokus sa appearance, no? And if she has a model, she will do about 10 rows of close-up but never fail while there actually a model in front of her. And also, yung hobby din ni Jenny is she use a medical textbook as reference, no? If she may gusto siyang i-paintings, for example, if she wanted to paint a stretch mark, no? Magbabasa lang siya ng textbook para tignan kung ano yung itsura and what are cause of them. Kung ano yung dahilan bakit nagka-stretch mark. So, next is the styles of work. So, painting and figuration are two of Saville's main passion. So, dalawa lang yung talaga yung main passion ni Jenny, yung painting and figuration. Yung style naman niya sa paggawa ng isang painting is she, she use a small brushstroke are used to build up a painting that soften the image in Saville's styles. The art was a matte finish, although does it not appear dry. No? Yung artwork ni Jenny is matte finish, but hindi siya masyadong dry. And also, she also employed fascinating subject color choices in her art, piece to create a soothing, large ambience with intensity, theme, and significance behind it. So, also this din is Jenny is she used a subject color choice in her art to creating a soothing and bukod it masyadong harsh na ambience ng artwork. And also din pala nakalimutan ko ma'am ilagay na yung styles din ni Jenny is mahilig siyang lagi niyang nilalagay yung kanyang mukha sa mga painting niya, no? For example ma'am is kunwari nagpe-painting siya ng isang matabang babae na walang suot, is nilalagay na yung mukha niya, no? nilalagay niya yung mukha niya, yun din yung mga styles na ginagawa. So, mamaya ma'am is ipapakita ko yung mga artworks na nakalagay yung mga mukha niya. So, this is her, this is, so ito yung mga artwork niya. So, first is the Rapid 1992 all on canvas 213 x 183 centimeters. So, this is a large scale linear painting. So, what is Prophet? So, this is a Prophet is lodged by Jenny Sabis career and brought her lot of fame. So, also, daya nga painting nga ma'am hay, nagbigay din kay Jenny Sabel ng fame, no? And also, this is groundbreaking art to suiting to challenge the preconceived notion of female beauty in Asian art form. It transgress the cultural aversion to corpulence by distorting the male gaze. The self-portrait showing Jenny Saville gazing at his hazy mirror of image while self-loathing in her struggling to fit into prescribed female role. So, do this question it daya nga painting nga la. And how much naman yung painting na to? So, ayon dito is in-auction ito na nagkakahalaga ng 6.8 million US dollars. So, malaki-laki din yung estimated price na nakalagay dito. So, this is the first artwork na nagbigay kay Jenny Savili ng fame. So, next is Reflected Flash 2002 to 2003 all on canvas 305x 244 centimeter. So, yung mapapansin nyo po is masyado talagang revealing yung isang sexual part ng babae sa painting na ginawa niya. And also, makikita nyo din po yung appearance na is parang mukha siya ni Jenny Sabel. Yan din kasi yung mga styles ni Jenny Sabel na nilalagay niya yung mukha niya sa isang artwork or artwork na hindi naman niya katawan yung pinipinta niya. So this is reflected place is greatly important in generating painting of Saville. So this is exhibit in the artist 2003 solo exhibition Migrants at Kagoshia Gallery in New York. Speaking of painting, so he explained that the composition was inspired by famous Roland Barthes quote, which contemplates the fact that we are never able to see our own body in their entirely except out to meditated synchronary lens of mirror or camera. So diaros pa nga yung mga artworks ni Jenny Saville, the reflective flash. So next is the plan. So ano naman yung the plan na to na artwork? So this is an all on canvas to 274 x to 30.5 centimeters. So this daya nga the plan nara is self-portrait that depicting the herself as a nude woman. So daya nga ra is self-portrait na nga kunwari is nakauba imaw nga bayi. So struggling to fit in the frame, the artwork was revolutionary at the same time as it had rather unique take on nude female imaginary where a nude female was looked at as subject instead of the object. So the remarkable artwork captured the minute details of body from veins, flesh, fold to texture of the skin. So the contour like lens of the body depict the supposed problematic terrain of the body of disguised as fat. So also then is mahilig din kasi si Jenny sa base ng mga self-portrait nga ron, especially sa mga self-portrait na nakahubad na painting. So this is the plan. So the next is Fulcrum 1999. all on canvas 103 x 192 inches. So, fulcrum, makikita nyo naman na ito ay isang dalawang matabang babae na walang excuse me ma'am, sorry. Walang mga suot, no? So, fulcrum is monumental artwork depicting that three weighted figures laying out. Tatlo pala, hindi. Tatlo palang babae na mataba, then laying on top on one another. At glance, it appears like an inner flesh of blood struggling to fit into the frame. The scale and the form seem to demand comparison with grand sculpture and follow a language of plasticity and grotesqueness. These are curved by Genevieve contentionally on her neon expressionism weightification of human force. So, sa mga pinakita ko po na mga painting is mapapansin nyo na lahat ng subject na ginawa ni Jenny is weighted na babae, nakahubad, no, revealing yung mga sexual part ng isang babae, no. Mapapansin mo talaga na may isa siyang sinusundan niya konteksto kung paano siya gumawa ng artworks. And the last is the Mirror 2000 fold pigment print 33.5 centimeters x 55 centimeters. So, mirror represent of history of reclining nudes in art. So, daya nga artwork nga gina-represent ni Jennifer Isabel as the history of reclining nudes in art. So, this artwork is overlapping collage of Manis Olympia, Sleeping Venus, that angular lens of Picasso early nudes. So daya nga ra is may kinuha siyang parang subject para gawin yung subject na to, and sinasabi dito na ito is the angular lens of Picasso early nude. So may siya na artwork ni Picasso. And Jenny Isabel's self-portrait, her the artist doubles the both object and subject by using a mirror. The charcoal work attempts to create simulation reality into the same image. The dissimilar iteration of reclining nude by different artists through history, how they sit next to each and how we interpret them now are beautiful capture in this piece. So this is the mirror, no. So maraming mga artwork din si Jenny Isabel, no, na hindi lang ito, pero ito lang kasi yung napili ko na magandang example para sa kanyang styles of work, no, na nakapokus lang sa siya revealing yung sexual part ng isang babae. May makikita ka doon na wala talagang saplot, makikita mo talaga yung talaga yung sexual parts, and also puro matataba yung subject na ginagawa niya sa isang painting, and also nilalagay talaga niya yung mukha niya sa painting para i-describe or may i-describe kung i-describe, and also tignan din siguro niya na kung ano yung maging itsura niya if ganun yung katawan niya. And at the same time, gumagawa din siya ng self-portrait na painting, no, na nakahubad na babae. So, this is the quotes of Jenny Saville, no. Human perception of the body is so acute, knowledgeable, that the smallest hit of a body can trigger recognition. Jenny Saville. So, this is the quotes of Jenny Saville, no, na mas knowledgeable talaga kung that the smallest hits of body is can trigger recognize. So thank you. So that's all my report, ma'am. Thank you.